Okay, this is the parking lot at River Place. It's not actually a parking lot. We can park along the road at the River Place trail, and we get here. We heard that there is a $10 fee when there is a person here, but we see nobody, so we are gonna go hiking here. Oh, this is a nice hike that we used to do before they start charging, and then we didn't come. Yeah, it's shade here. There are a lot of cedar trees. If you have allergies here, it's not a good idea to come December, January, February, but now it's out of the allergy season. This is a trail in the neighborhood here, but it's very nice. There are lots of steps. We are gonna meet on the way. So. Smells like sunflowers. This is very nice. And some dried cedar trees, but this is Canyon Trail. And then we go to the Panther and Little Fern trails. 2 miles. Okay, we have this amazing view. There is a golf course there in this neighborhood, and some houses. Very nice. It was a nice surprise to see. We are going down now, abruptly, but then I'm thinking that we need to take all these steps back up. Okay, you have to watch your head here. Oh, look, they...
Knocker tree. Probably lots of people are banging their heads here.
Watch your head. Please watch your head.
And it's alive. The
Oh,
tree.
it's still...
Probably when it's rain.
Oh my gosh!
What?
It's a snake.
Where is?
Right here. Do you see him?
Ah, a
Right
baby.
here. It's a baby snake.
A
Oh,
baby snake.
oh my gosh. I was looking at the chain here.
When the water is flowing, I think that's when you use this.
Oh, okay.
Even
Yeah,
though-
we see a snake. A little snake.
This all got hydrated last night.
Because of the rain.
Now
Such a
it's
beautiful green.
green and fluffy. I bet it will be even fluffier tomorrow.
I can see the sun through the branches. And it's pretty nice. Look at these trees. It's a nice bench here. And this nice plant. I love the color.
And finally, water flowing.
There is water. Oh. Look at these shade plants here. Nice. Oh, lots of bees. They smell nice. This is a nice one here. Zero 45 miles on the Panther Little Fern trails, and here is a nice one, and we hear water and an airplane, but listen for the water. Oh, this is so beautiful. Honestly guys, we don't feel like we are in Austin. We feel like we are in Hawaii somewhere. It's so amazing. It's pretty hot and humid today, but other than that, oh, this little spring here. I would go in. So nice. And the leaves, fall leaves. There is a section with a chain here. It's not so difficult. Really? Nice. Didn't know about that. And look at this behind. This rock is amazing. It looks like a ship. Like this. Little bridge.
Maybe
It says 3 miles here.
maybe we do for 3.
Ooh, this is nice. Yes, it's a little boardwalk, and I remember these chairs here. We are gonna eat our snack here.